Welcome to Tokyo, where futuristic cityscapes meet unexpected surprises. But did you know, tucked right in the heart of Odaiba, Japan has its very own Statue of Liberty? Nope, you're not dreaming, and no, you haven't magically teleported to New York. This replica of Lady Liberty stands proud on the edge of Tokyo Bay, with the city's skyline shimmering in the background and the Rainbow Bridge perfectly photobombing every selfie. Originally brought over from France in 1998 as a temporary tribute to Japan-France friendship, the statue became so popular, the locals begged for a permanent version. So, boom, here she is. And trust us, she's not just a copy. She's got Tokyo attitude. Come at sunset and you'll catch golden hour magic. The lights from the bridge, the waves, the silhouette of Liberty. It's straight up cinematic. Whether you're a tourist or a local on a chill date night, the Odaiba Statue of Liberty delivers big on vibes. So next time you're in Tokyo, skip the jet lag and catch a little slice of NYC right here. No passport required. Love quirky travel gems like this? Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized adventures from around the world.